topic, which is HTTP status code. No matter if you are cloud engineer, system engineer, DevOps, or developer, understanding these code is crucial. HTTP status code are something developers deals with every single day, so they are usually very familiar with them. But for system engineers or cloud administrator, they can sometimes be overlooked. Understanding these code help you troubleshoot and investigate issue effectively. They serve as first line of approach when something goes wrong. For further troubleshooting, I gave you a bird eye view of what these code means. We will categorize them into 3 zones: green, yellow, red, and explore the key code in each. Remember, this is just a high level overview. I won't deep dive into every single subcode, but I will show you how to recognize the main ones and understand which one they belong to. Okay, I will show you how these HTTP codes comes in play. So suppose this is your client, application or web application or any other application. Under the hood, the codes are same. HTTP codes are same. So whenever you are trying to query from your client to your server, suppose this is your server as well, server needs to respond it back, and this response is generally with HTTP codes, right? Whether your request or your query is being resolved or there is some issue, server will always respond it back with the HTTP codes. Okay, so let's see how many codes we have. So first code is 1xx. These are basically called as informational responses. They are having subcodes like 100, 101, 102, and so on. Right. So 100 and they 100 they mark, I will mark this as well, like 100 mark for continuity, right? This is for switching protocol, and this is for processing. We can mark it by this way. I will explain you as well what does it mean. So whenever there is a HTTP codes written with 100, it says that whenever you are trying to query, as I shown you in the row diagram, right? Whenever your client is querying with your server and the response is 100, so in that case, what server says that I received the header of your request or query. Please send me the full body. right? So generally, whenever there is 100 code, this means that server wants to continue your response, saying that I received the header of your request, please send me the full body. Now we will talk about another subcode, which is 101, which is marking for switching protocol. So in this scenario, what happens, because it is self-explanatory, this is for switching of protocol. So server says that yes, I am ready, you can change the protocol for communication. Basically for web sockets, like verifying web sockets, or HTTP/2 handshake at network level, network layer. Right now, the third substatus code is 102. It is marking for processing. This means that server is saying that your query is still in progress, but there is no response. Yet. And this is responsible for, like, if you are monitoring a long request, right? It basically prevents to timeout for your long request. So these are our 1xx code, and because these code does not means any success or any failure, so that is why I am putting these codes in gray zone. Now moving around 2xx status code, it has subcodes like 200, 201 and so on. So 200 basically says that yes, your query is being successful. Query is being successful, and I am returning with OK status from server to client. This means that whenever you are getting 200 code, it says that yes, the request is being successfully accepted. 201 is for creating any resource on the server. So whenever there is code which is saying 201, it states that yes, your request is being successful, but it also create a resource. So we will put this in a green zone. because it is confirming that everything is working fine. Now we will move to another code, which is 3xx. So 3xx is having subcode like 301, 302, 304 and so on. These all indicates that either your resource is being moved from original place or it's being redirected from one place to another. The query is being redirected from one place to another. So these code state that either your resource is being moved, redirected or modified. So we will put these code in yellow zone. They are actually not an error, but they require your attention, right? They require your attention. Now we will moving to our another code, which is 4xx. These are having subcodes like 400, 401, 403 and so on. So remember this thing, whenever you are getting with 4xx code, it says that there is something not good at your client side. Like it generally indicate there is a client side error, right? So it says that either your request is bad, or you have given wrong credentials, or you are not permitted for that site, or you don't have permission, right? So we will put these code or we can subcodes in red zone. It is alarming and require attention because it will affect your users in your environment if it stays long, or if this error is coming, this means that user is not able to log on in their applications. So this requires immediate attention. Now we will be moving to our next code, which is 5xx. These are also having subcodes like 500, 502, 503, and these codes are generally saying that there is some issue with your server issue. In either your server is down or your server services is down. is shut down. So we will put this in red zone again, and it is alarming as well. Or you can say that this is a priority issue, because if your server is going down, then it will impact your business. Right, so you have to troubleshoot this issue as soon as possible. So that is the overview of HTTP status code. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and have a great day.